Hi, it's Larry Gaines at Options on the Open. Before I get started, I just wanted to make sure that you are aware of a really great option ebook that contains 15 of some of the best option strategies. And these strategies are really the backbone of any great option trader, and they will really help you become a more consistent and better option trader. So if you'd like to get a free copy of this ebook, please go to my website. Let me show you here right now. So just go to my website, optionsontheopen.com, www.optionsontheopen.com, and on the home page you'll see this download. So just put in your name and email and it'll instantly come to you, and it's some really great information and strategies for options. Real easy to use, simple to use ebook. So now let me get started. I want to pull up something first and get rolling. One of my favorite sayings, I just love this. This really speaks a lot about the markets. There's a great saying in trading: anything can work sometimes, nothing can work all the time, and very few things work most of the time. So, as a trader or investor, wouldn't it be just fantastic to have a system that works most of the time? Well, that's what I'm going to show you about. I'm just going to touch base here and just show you a few things and show you that it is possible. It is possible to have a system that works most of the time. So here's two charts. Here's the chart. This is a monthly chart and a weekly chart of the SPY, which is the ETF for the S&P 500. And this is the entry for when the trend turned to the upside on a macro trend basis using this power cycle trading model that we use for all of our trading. And it turned up right at the end of December on a macro trend basis. So long-term trend basis, and then for the longer-term trend measured by a weekly time frame, it turned up the second week in October, and you can see it's just been off to the races ever since. We had a pullback, but it stayed long the whole time. So I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, but I know that the system is still long, and you can listen to all the different pundits and talking heads on CNBC or whatever your news source is, and I listen to a lot of that information too, but you can get weary and tired from all the different views. So it is really nice and helpful to have a buffer to buffer out all that noise around you. And if you have a really good trading system that works across all time frames and asset classes, it is the perfect thing to have. So you can see here from the macro trend, it's up. From the weekly long-term trend, it's up, and right now I'm sticking with the trend. So it could change tomorrow, but I'm going to know when it changes using my cycle trading model. There's been a lot of talk too on the financials leading the market up, and let me just show you that real quick. Now, using the cycle system that we have, here's the XLF, which is the ETF for the financials, and it has various companies making up this ETF: Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Citi, to name a few. But the system had the cycle turning up on a macro basis back at the end of December, and it picked the total bottom at the beginning of October in 2011. So and the cycle is still up. So if you'd had a system like this, you could have started nibbling, or you could have gotten in on some of your favorite financials, and right now the financials are still leading the market higher. Now, as I mentioned at the start of this video, this system, we use this for all of our trading at Options on the Open, and we do a lot of our day trades, like 99.99%, use this cycle trading system. And here is just a setup today. This is a 2-minute chart of Apple today, March the 13th, and here is a setup, a buy setup on the 2-minute chart. And you can see here that the cycle model went long, had a long entry at around $563 on Apple, and it never looked back. I mean, it picked the exact perfect entry. So if you'd like to learn more about how you can trade cycles and get in at the bottom of a trend and out towards the top, It works if you're an investor looking for the long-term trend, or if you're a short-term trader looking for day trades or swing trades that last a day, 2, 3, 4 days. Then come join us and check out our trading system at optionsontheopen.com. That's optionsontheopen.com, and good luck trading tomorrow.